Hi, good morning to viewers. Welcome to our channel @Munisar2318. In this session, we are going to learning about how to find the squares of the numbers. To find the square of the numbers are divided into three parts. The numbers which are consists of 0 from the unit place. Number 2, the number which are consists of 5 in the unit place. And number 3, all other numbers. So first one, 0. The numbers which are consists of 0 from the unit place. So here 30 square, 600 whole square, 9000 whole square. So in the number 30, this number consists only 10 at the unit place. So double of 10 in the unit place 1 10. So double of 1 is 2. So you write here 2 zeros. And square of the 3 is 9. So you write here 900. So 900 is the square of the 30 square. And second number 600 whole square. So this number consists of 2 zeros from the unit place. So 2 zeros, 2. What is the double of 2? 4. So 4 zeros, you write here 4 zeros. 4 zeros. So the square of the 6 is 36. 36. So 3,60,000 is the square of the 600 whole square. And the third number is 9,000 whole square. So this number consists of 3 zeros from the unit place. So 3. So what is the double of 3? 6 zeros. So we write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. So here from the unit place 3 zeros. So double of the 3 is 6. So we write here 6 zeros. And square of the 9. Square of the 9 is 81. He write here. So this is the square of the 9000 whole square. So second type, the numbers which are